Oh.
Yeah, happy birthday!
Dig in.
What?
She's like, you took the dog.
But you took the duck.
I don't know. There.
Oh, yes. It's all right here, I promise.
Is that for you, Haley? Do you want to try it?
Every time I do this, my dad goes, no.
Eat it. Watch.
Oh, there she's getting her hand in there.
Mmm.
That wasn't bad. I know, half bad.
This was you at one point, buddy.
Yeah.
Telephone ringing. Calling. You just keep mushing your hands into there.
So concerned. She's like, is this okay? It's okay.
Haley is here. Would you like to
Yes.
She has just dived into some cake. I'll put you on speakerphone.
What are you doing?
Just give her the phone.
Can you say Can you say hi to great grandma?
Hi, Haley.
Say
Hi,
hi.
Haley. Happy birthday.
Oh.
Hi, great grandma.
Yeah. Hi, Marilyn.
Oh, she's massaging her cake.
That was perfect timing. We just dove into the cake. Yeah.
Haley, is that good? You haven't tasted